Okay, breaking news coming in from Mumbai. First of all, I apologize to our viewers. There was some problem here in the connection, but let me go across to Sahil. New SOPs has now been, in fact, arrived and issued for the flyers coming in Mumbai. Remember, till late last night, there were problems as far as Mumbai is concerned. The decision was taken very late, and because of that, there was a lot of confusion in the morning. Sahil, take us through what are the new clarities which have been issued by the government of Maharashtra.
Well, Ankit, there was a lot of confusion in the morning when the flight started arriving at the Mumbai airport, because a lot of passengers did not know what to do next, because a lot of states have already declared the quarantine time, whereas the people who were arriving at the Mumbai airport did not have any clarity about that. Whereas now finally the Maharashtra government has come up with the standard operating procedures and the guidelines for those who will be taking the air travel. The guidelines are thus, actually, if I can read and if you can see on the screen, the guideline says that first of all, the passenger will have to sign in, fill in this declaration form. And the traveler will have to declare whether the traveler is from the containment zone or has any symptoms or was in quarantine. Every traveler will be stamped on the left hand, and he will need to be home quarantine for 14 days. So there is a 14 days home quarantine who are traveling to Mumbai. 1. 2, most importantly, if you are having a short trip that is less than 7 days, then this 14 days quarantine rule does not apply to you, but you will have to inform this in advance that your trip is going to be less than 7 days, and also it is your duty now to inform time and again to the administration that you are going to fly back. So that is another important point. The passenger will not be able to travel in the containment zone. The passengers who are coming for a short duration will have to share details and will be exempted from the isolation. And the last and most importantly, if the person has to travel outside the red zone, that means outside Mumbai, then you will have to take the prior permission. So these are the important SOPs which has been now issued by the Maharashtra government.
All right, Sahil, important clarification coming in there from the government of Maharashtra. Hopefully this will, in fact, clear the air as far as the COVID-19 guidelines for airports are concerned. Now the government of Maharashtra making it clear. Yesterday there was a lot of confusion, as Sahil was telling us. Now all those confusions have been clarified by the government of Maharashtra. Thank you, Sahil, for joining us with all those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.